Era muzeeyi yalwanirira eggwanga, era muzeeyi yalwanirira eggwanga, era muzeeyi yakuba emmundu, muzeeyi yalwana, yakuba emmundu, yalwanirira eggwanga. He has sacrificed a lot in this country. Yakuba emmundu, yalazi kuba baani? Emmundu ze yakuba yalazi kuba baani? Yalazi kuba ba Sudani, yalazi kuba ba Congo, yalazi kuba ba Germany, yalazi kuba ba Europeans. Yalazi kuba baani emmundu ze yalakuba? Era ani yamutuma ogenda okuba emmundu? Who sent him? Ani yamutuma? Ani gwe yalwanirira? He sacrificed what? How many people did he lost in that war? How many? How many people did Museveni lost in that war? Emmundu yagikuba kyo mwebale tunyumiza nga bwe yakuba emmundu. Yebale jikuba yali agikuba baani? Emmundu gye yalakuba yali agikuba baani? Nga bwe yatuleetera eddembe, nga bwe yalwanirira eddembe lyali lyalagawa. Eddembe lyalwanirira lyali lyalagawa, ni yali yalitwala. Yalalabye ko Munnayuganda nga complaining mbu abuliddwa eddembe. Oba ye kennyini ng'omuntu eyali abuliddwa eddembe. Olw'ebigendererwa bye byalayina nga laba tebigenda kutuukirira ko ye kagende mu sikatirimbula abantu. Emmundu gye yakuba yajjali yali agikuba baani? Eyo emmundu gye mutugamba gye yakuba. Era Museveni yalwanirira eggwanga lino, yesaddaasa kinene eri eggwanga lino. He has sacrificed a lot in this country. Sacrificed what? What did he sacrifice? How many people did he lost in that war? How many of them? How many cows? How many goats? How many farms did he lost in that war? How many of them? Era emmundu gye yalakuba era agikuba baani? Era ani yamutuma? Ani yamutuma ogendayo okulwana? Era bani be yalalwanisa bayeekera nti abaleekera bali balumbye Uganda nti ye kagenda atununula atulwanirira alwanisa abayeekera bali bagenda okutwala Uganda, oba yeye yali omuyeekera? Yeye yayeekera bannayuganda. Ye kennyini nga y'omuntu ye yayeekera bannayuganda. Ogwo nno musango kyovola tayagala kuvana mbuyiza kubanga akimanyi ICC emulinze olwokola genocide olw'okugumbula abantu bannayuganda. Yatugumbula bannayuganda kumpi kakadde kalamba. Nese bwe mukyenyumiriza namwera ne mujja ne mu kamera. Muzeeyi he fought what? He fought what? Who sent him to fight? Who? Era emirembe gye mugamba gye yalwanirira ani yagimutuma? Ani yamutuma emirembe? Atulagayo ku butambi bannayuganda nga bamwegayirira nti genda otuleetera emirembe gituweddeko. Mulyoke mutugambe nga bwe yaleeta emirembe giriwa gye yaleeta? What did he sacrifice in that war? Maybe he sacrificed his poverty. He sacrificed his poverty because he was poor, but right now he is richer than the country. That is the only thing he sacrificed in that war. Yasaddaka bwavu bwe kati sawa zino mugagga asinga n'eggwanga Uganda obugagga. Kubanga buli kya bugagga kya ggwanga kyafuuka kitegeeza ye mugagga okusinga n'eggwanga. Era nga bwe yalwana. Ani yamutuma? Ani yamusindikayo? Ani yamusindikayo okulwana? Nga bwe yalwanirira eddembe. Yalwanirira ddembe lye ng'omuntu. Wabula si lyaffe. Okitegeera. Kubanga ffe titulirina. Yensonga lwaki naffe tulwanirira eryaffe. Ye waba yalina eddembe, he has the freedom to fight for his peace and freedom. Chechi mulowooza nti for us we don't have that freedom to fight for our freedom. Who told him? Who told him? He fought. Who sent him? Who sent him? Era bw'aba yakuba emmundu yali agikuba baani? Mukimanyi nti nno mwatta bannayuganda akakadde kalamba. You are proud to kill Ugandans. For us, we are asking him good water, good education, good health services, good roads. He always telling us that he fought. That is not the case. The case is, where is the service delivery in Uganda? Where is it? You fought. Yes, you fought. That was before. That was back then. Right now, we want right now. We want good water. We want good education. We want good services. And you tell us that you fought. So are we going to eat your fight? Are we going to survive in your war, in your fight in 1980s? Every time we come out and ask him questions, why are you stealing our taxpayers' money? Why are you destroying our taxpayers' money? You see, I fought. You see, in 1980s, that is not the case. We Genoese, we want the question to be replied by Museveni. What did he, what has he done to our country? For us, we are asking for good services, for good education, for jobs in Uganda. But whenever we Gen Zs, we ask him that, you see we fought, you see 1980s, you see Amin, Amin is in Jeddah sleeping in his graveyard. Amin ali Jeddah yebase, but every time you see Amin, why are you fighting with the dead? We don't need to hear Amin. But you, what have you done? You are alive. So what? What is going on? You fought, yes, you fought. So what next? What next? Right now, we Gen Zs, we are asking you questions, but you don't want to reply us. You are always telling us that you fought. So are you telling us that even Muhoozi, when he come in power, is going to tell us that he fought? That you see my father fought, When our children going to ask Muhoozi, where is the service delivery? Muhoozi is going to tell him that you see my father fought. Because that is the code you are using to steal Ugandans, to oppress Ugandans. That is the code you have, that you fought. Whenever we ask services, you fought. Whenever we talk about you people, why are you killing people? You see, we fought. So you want to tell us even Muhoozi, when he comes, is going to always tell us that he fought. You see, my father fought. Is that the passport you are giving us to show that you did? You did like you are the owner of Uganda because you fought. Now Uganda is yours. Now you own Uganda because you fought. You people, we want our country. We want service delivery. For us, we are already demanding service delivery. We want to be like Ugandans, to be with equal opportunities in our country. We don't hear that story of fought ever since. Right now, you fought. Every time, fought. So what? You fought, so what? Are you telling us that we have to go back in 1980s to see your fault, that you fought? You fought then, by then, right now. We want right now. People are dealing in technology, in what? They are manufacturing things. The economy is moving for you. You are always in history. As if we are going to eat history. Ngana abantu abasomesa ebyafaayo bawo obusala butono. Abantu abasomesa ebyafaayo bawo obusala butono yagala ba science and technology. But you are always in history. When the history teacher, you pay them little money. Are you really okay?